When you need legal guidance, MyLegalWhiz is your convenient online legal resource and assistant. Start by going to credits.mylegalwhiz.com. Once logged in, type, for example, MGCQ, which stands for Modified General Community Quarantine, and all information related to MGCQ will appear. Click the link and you'll see guidelines for areas under MGCQ. If you need assistance, we have Leah. Leah stands for Legal Engineer Assistant. She helps in doing legal research and writing documents. But before that, you need to know how to use Leah's page. First is the drop-down menu. This allows you to choose what type of document, task, or request you need from Leah. Then type your request or concern. In this text box, you can ask any legal question that you have for Leah. For example, if you're a landlord and you want to know if you can start collecting rent during ECQ, it's just as easy as typing your question. You can even attach a file for Leah's reference. You'll receive an email confirming that we have received your inquiry. In a short while, you'll receive a notification with Leah's response. Go to your inbox, click View, and see the answer. Let's try to search for another topic. All information related to video conferencing will appear. MyLegalWhiz also allows you to download forms for a specific amount of credits. You can do that by selecting Legal Forms in the menu bar. Let's say you want to download a training agreement form. Click the green button so you can fully download it. You may download it in different file formats found in the upper right corner. You can now use it for your intended purposes. Can't find what you're looking for? Ask Leah. And that's why MyLegalWhiz is the best digital legal assistant.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to welcome you all to the MyLegalWhiz digital conference. This is going to be very interesting, not only to lawyers, but also to all who are in need or will be in need of lawyers. The interesting thing about it, however, is that you may not have to consult a lawyer in person anymore. You simply need to click your gadget and you are able to access legal content that you may need, whether you are a businessman, a legal researcher, or labor and tax professional. MyLegalWhiz promises to cut down the work of a lawyer or someone in need of a lawyer. It is a one-stop shop for memorandum of agreements, franchise, compromise, agreement of confidentiality, etc. But how does it help businesses in particular? It is a convenient legal resource for business where you are able to get reliable and customizable legal and business forms and get legal research assistance on topics about labor, corporate governance, commercial transactions, and taxation, among others. Ladies and gentlemen, I am sure that you will find this webinar really useful to you. We have with us as our resource speaker no less than the founder of MyLegalWhiz, Attorney Dexter Feliciano, who will give you a complete run-through of this wonderful digital.
Good morning, everyone. Hi, Janine. Hi, Cheese.
Good morning, attorney.
Good morning.
Good morning po sa lahat.
There you go. You just heard the message of our regional director, RD Lea Polido Ocampo of DTI Region 2. Medyo nakat lang po sa dulo kasi we're having some technical difficulties. I think meron pong parang problem ang PLDT ngayon, no? So please do bear with us, no? Once again, good morning, everyone, and welcome to the MyLegalWhiz Regional Caravan for Cagayan Valley. I am Janine Arevalo from DTI Regional Negosyo Center Unit, and I think this is the third among all the regions in the Philippines that will conduct this caravan for the My Legal Wiz program. Tama po ba, attorney?
Yes, yes. Oo. This is no, our third session all over the Philippines tayo. So I am very happy and privileged to provide this webinar or session for all MSMEs and business counselors.
Mhm. So before we come into the details of the My Legal Wiz, let me acknowledge everyone on board today. Of course, we have the founder and chief executive officer of the My Legal Wiz, who will be one of our speakers today. We have attorney Dexter Feliciano. And also
Yes.
we Yan, the Negosyo Center Regional Account Officer, Ma'am Keys, with us.
Good morning.
Also, we have
Morning.
people watching us online. No, I see we have 68 viewers online. Our MSMEs from Batanes, Cagayan, Isabela. We have Nueva Vizcaya and Quirino also watching our DTI regional and provincial staff and our Negosyo Center business counselors. So probably marami na po kayong katanungan no patungkol sa My Legal Wiz and what is this all about. And to tell you more about it, no, let's listen to Attorney Dexter Feliciano.
Yes, thank you, Janine, and hi, Cheese. And of course, we want to thank the message of RD Lea Pulido. Salamat po, ma'am. Nakat ba? Kasi narinig ko naman lahat. I'm not sure because of maybe the connection. I'm not sure with the audience no, kung narinig nila yung message ni RD. Salamat po. Yes, again, I want to welcome everyone in this conference and makakatulong po talaga itong seminar na ito. Not only, of course, negosyo centers natin and to the DTI, but also to the clients of DTI. Ang end user po natin, ang mga MSMEs natin, ang mga entrepreneurs, and small and medium enterprises. So let's start. I just want to remind everyone to look at the screen. No, makikita niyo po dyan. No? Naalala niyo po ba ang sinabi ni President Duterte during the SONA? So this is for the DTI. No? The national government shall lead the way in our transition to online system. Ang sabi niya, make all possible services available online. So that means yung mga government services natin, not only on health, very important po ang health, no? Pero of course, pag may sakit ka na, you really need to go to the hospital. But there are services online, public services, na pwede gawing digital. So one of them is legal services. So right now, we are serving thousands of people across the country, businesses, constituents of LGUs, of course, Filipino citizens, and our existing lawyer and law student clients, ginagamit po ang MyLegalWhiz. So ngayon, it's an opportunity tulad po ng ginagawa natin ngayon, ginagawa natin ito at the comforts of our home, using Facebook, and then on our end, we are broadcasting it so that everyone can see it. Remember po dati, kailangan pa tayo mag-conference, pupunta pa sa lugar like sa province or sa Metro Manila just to attend a seminar. Di ba, Janine? Before, pre-pandemic.
Mm-mm.
So I just want to ask DTI Region 2. So when you do seminars now, you do it online.
Yes po. During the start of the pandemic, all our seminars, trainings, talks po are online na. We're using our platform Zoom o kaya ang ating Microsoft Teams. Yan, yung po yung
Yes.
mga ginagamit namin to conduct our activities online.
Okay, that's great. Kasi nga ngayon, mas nakatipid ba? Mas nakatipid, 'di ba? Kasi because we don't need to travel, time and money. We were able to save it because of this digital technologies that we're using. I want to ask, I'm just curious, what were you able to do now that you weren't able to do pre-pandemic? Kasi may mga tao, 'di ba, na parang, "Uy, hindi ko na magawa ngayon nito. Before, nagagawa ko." Or dati, hindi ko magawa before the pandemic era. Ngayon, nagagawa ko na. Basically, ano yung nag-fundamental change nangyari dyan sa negosyo centers natin or sa DTI? Janine.
Siguro everybody is now going digital because it's the way to go, sabi nga po nila. So parang before pandemic, we are facing all our clients face to face. We go from one negosyo center to the other. We go to our barangays. We go to kung saan man po nakakandak yung mga events. But right now, what we do is really trying to go digital. Parang we're learning more of what the online platform is all about, how we go to the technology. Yung parang dati we're not using Zoom naman, we're not using Microsoft Teams, we're not necessarily online on the phone or in the computer, no? But with this pandemic, kailangan talaga online ka na because sa office po namin, 1 week we do go to the office and then after
Yes.
that work from home kami for another week. So with that working from home, we still need to go online because we have to check our emails. Doon na po talaga yung communication. Unlike before, pag nasa office ka lang, isang tawag lang ni boss, nandun ka na sa harap niya. Pero ngayon, Messenger, Facebook, Viber, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, we are really exhausting all those options po.
That's great. Oo, sabi ko nga, ang mas nagiging productive usually yung mga tao, no, using online. Kaya lang minsan sumusobra.
Mm-mm.
In our experience kasi before, 9 to 5 lang, 'di ba? Or 9 to 6, etc. Pero ngayon umaabot talaga ng dinner, umaabot ng gabi ang trabaho kasi nga online na. Ewan
Online.
ko kung na-experience nyo to. Kung na-experience nyo to regarding, sorry na naputol lang. Ayan, ang isa sa mga ano natin, issues natin is internet. I'm not sure with no region 2, kumusta po ang internet natin diyan? Nakakapanood naman po tayo, no?
Yeah, I see we have 111 viewers po connected pa sa ating
Wow.
Facebook Live.
Wow, good morning po sa lahat. Paki-share na lang po itong video natin para po ma-reach yung mga iba nating mga entrepreneurs and MSMEs across the region. So anyway, going back, no, sabi ko nga, nagiging mas productive tayo. Kaya lang, minsan sumusobra sa time natin before. But the thing is, there's flexibility on our end. Nakakapagluto tayo sa bahay. 'Di ba? Dati hindi naman tayo nakakahiga. 'Di ba? So ngayon, meron tayong flexibility sa sa work natin. And there are a lot of work naman na hindi siya pwedeng hindi siya pwedeng online. So we're not saying that everything should be online. What we can do is part of our business, like for example, marketing and sales, like yung ginagawa po natin ngayon, logistics, delivery, ng food, etc. Online na. We can use our online technologies. No, merong Grab, may Facebook tayo for marketing. No, we can use all of those so that we can continue our business even during the pandemic. So ito nga, I want to share this three new normal observations studied and surveyed by UBS Wealth Management Laura Kane. Sabi niya, we're all in increased digital lifestyle from working, learning, shopping, and entertainment. So yung mga nagbumibili sa Shopee, Lazada, yan na lang ginagawa natin ngayon. Before, we still go to the malls, etc. We still go to the malls, pero madalang na lang. And the labor market shift to online technology, ito yung nakikita natin. Specifically, right now, nakikita po natin ngayon. We're talking online. We're discussing online. And we are reaching out to people using Facebook, social media. And this one is a very, parang sabi ko, this is a unique insight, no? More localized production advances in robotics for industry deglobalization. So ano pong ibig sabihin nito? Sa mga advanced countries like Europe and US, instead of mag-expand sila abroad, magsistay na lang sila sa local. Kasi nga, there's a pandemic, bawal lumabas, bawal pumunta sa ibang bansa, and may mga travel restrictions. So, mas lalong naging localized yung production processes nila. And then meron ding shinare, of course, si Lawrence Summers. Lawrence Summers is the former president of Harvard University and also the economic advisor under the Obama administration sa US. Sabi niya, COVID-19 era is a period of renewal and great potential. Sabi nga nila, parang war ang nangyari sa atin, na parang parang nag-equalize lahat, parang basically naging zero. Although sa iba naman, hindi naman. Pero sa iba, parang there's a new beginning na tinatawag. Sa Japanese, they call it shoshin, di ba? A new beginning, a new mindset. So it's a period of great potential and renewal kasi it's a new opportunity for us to explore other things in business. Another thing that I want to share is this one, 5 lessons to help your business survive the COVID-19 pandemic. This was discussed in the previous DTI sessions by Patrick Mabilog, our partner. No, diniscuss niya, we need to focus on what sells. So kung ano ba yung nabebenta natin, yun muna ang focus natin. We need to stay focused on what we know. So kung ano yung expertise natin, doon po tayo mag-focus and focus din tayo kung ano yung nabebenta para hindi tayo masyadong gumagastos and mapigilan natin yung effect, yung direct effect ng less business during the pandemic. And of course, the number 3 is going digital. In our end, sa MyLegalWhiz, because we've been digital since we started the business, we were able to maximize digital technologies. And for non-digital businesses like sari-sari store or food processing, etc., pwede nyo pong gamitin ang Facebook to sell your products. Pwede nyo pong gamitin ang Grab or Shopee, Lazada for you to be able to deliver the products to your customers. Go and check everything that can be done digitally. Ito po nga mamaya i-discuss natin ng MyLegalWhiz, which is your digital legal department. No, para tingnan natin kung paano tayo makakatulong sa lahat ng MSMEs. Pwede po kayo magtanong using the comment section. And of course, this one is all hands on deck diversification. Parang inconsistent siya sa number 1 and 2, no? But the thing is, ang ibig sabihin lang nito, focus ka pa rin sa alam mo, pero you can still diversify. You can still diversify. For example, dati hindi ka nagke-cater. Diba? Pwede ka nang mag-cater ngayon. Expertise mo is food, restaurant. So kulang yung pupunta sa restaurant or sa bar mo. So you can go and sell your services as a caterer. That is a diversification of service without going out of focus. And number 5 is get simpler and go small. So it's very important to save some money. And of course, it's connected. Number 5 is connected to number 1 and 2. Para po hindi po tayo masyadong gumastos. So I want to inform everyone that this is the statistics right now. No? Filipinos now the world's heaviest internet users. Philippines increased their average time online to 10 hours and 2 minutes. So everyone, alam niyo po kung saan tayo laging online sa Facebook. Kaya po tamang-tama itong platform na to conduct this seminar and conference for all of you. And of course, dito na tayo sa MyLegalWhiz, no? Everyone, you can sign up for free to credits.mylegalwiz.com, input MLW 500 and DTI 500. But the thing is, iniba po natin ang ang code for region 2. It's DTI R2_500. Ilalagay po natin dito. So dito po sa ano natin, it's DTI R2. Ayan, underscore 500. Ito po yung code nyo. Yan. Kita nyo ho ba? Nandyan. Yan po yung code natin, DTI R2 underscore 500. Sa DTI 500, you can also use that, but it's important that you use DTI R2 underscore 500 for Region 2 businesses. Nakapag-register ka na ba, Miss Janine?
Yes po, kahapon sinubukan ko po.
Oo, we got some questions, which was great. So, nakita po namin yung ibang questions like registration of official receipt sa BIR, no, kung less than 20,000 ang capitalization. You can ask those questions po, no. And dito sa comment section, Miss Janine, of course, Miss Lovely, she's also with us. You can help us if there are questions. You can ask questions using the commenting section sa MyLegalWhiz page. Ayan po. Meron pong hindi maka-sign in. Sandali. Hindi po ako maka-sign in. Bakit po, Miss Sadiri? So, i-check nyo lang po yung internet. Just go to credits.mylegalwiz.com. Nandyan po yung ano natin. Ito po, credits.mylegalwiz.com. Makikita nyo po yan. Using any browser. Okay, merong tanong mamaya isasagutin natin, no, si kay Miss Christina Cortez, paano po makapasok sa Lazada and Shopee. So i-discuss po natin 'yan mamaya-maya. Thank you, Miss Lovely, for sharing that question. So let's go now to so I just want to remind everyone, you also have an app, no? If you are registered sa credits.mylegalwiz.com, you can also access the Leia app. This is your legal engineer assistant app. iOS lang po siya, but the thing is, hindi nyo naman kasi kailangan itong iOS app na to. This is just a support for the web app. Kasi po, pag tinignan nyo yung credits.mylegalwiz.com sa phone ninyo, maayos naman siya. It adjusts based on the size of your phone. So, it's so nice to use it also using your smartphone. But pero pag nasa bahay ka, we recommend that you use your laptop. Okay, next one. Of course, we will go to the session already. No, every business deserves MyLegalWhiz for knowledge, assistance, and protection. And po, we can help you in different stuff. No, for a lot of people, not only in business. Property sale, domestic cases, citizen rights, notaries, and documents. We have e-notaries. Diyan banda po, we will coordinate with lawyers who can provide e-notaries so you don't have to go out and meet a lawyer. Pwede nyo na pong mag-video conference for e-notary. So basically, MyLegalWhiz is a legal insurance for everyone. You might not need it now, but in the future, it's there. 24/7. If you have questions, you can ask questions. So let's go now to the MyLegalWhiz system. And so nakikita naman ho ba? So for those who weren't able to sign up, punta lang po kayo sa credits.mylegalwiz.com. I-type nyo lang po ito. credits.mylegalwiz.com. Yan. Tapos you can sign up. So pag sign up nyo po, makikita nyo po yan yung first message natin. Meron kayong built-in. You can use immediately the MLW 500. These are free credits that you can use inside the site. Again, the credits para po makakuha po kayo ng mga documents na makakuha kayo ng answers for your legal questions and also download proprietary legal content. Mamaya makikita po natin ano po yung mga proprietary legal content natin. Yeah, so you can sign up like this one. So you can just put your name and last name, email and password. These are the only thing that you need to fill up. Ito lang pong tatlong ito. Ay, apat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. Ito, occupation, you can fill it up. Others, please specify. So, yan. Pwede nyo pong ilagay dyan, mobile number. Then, you just need to agree with the terms and conditions. So, since meron na po akong account, I can log in. Yan. Ang username po ninyo is the email address. So here you'll see, kung nakikita po ninyo dito, nakatakip lang with MyLegalWhiz, no? Nandito po yung credits. Nandyan po sa button na to. You just need to click on this one to input the DTI R2_500. Yan. Nakikita nyo po itong credit promo code. Dito nyo po lalagay yung DTI R2_500. And then you can load the credit and mag-increase po yung credits nyo dito sa taas. Since nag-exceed na po ako sa mga credits ko, sa promo credits, hindi na po mag-a-add sa akin ito. Pero for those who are watching, you can access MyLegalWhiz and input the code, and then you can have a total of 1,000 credits. Now, how do we use those credits? So, papakita po natin ngayon. So, for example, if you are asking for COVID-19 workplace guidelines ng DTI, pwede nyo pong i-type dyan ng COVID-19. All content about COVID-19 are free. Yan. So, DTI and DOLE Guidelines Workplace Prevention Control COVID-19. Meron nang nilabas April pa po. Meron tayong BIR Tax Payment Extension which was early this year. DOLE Department Order, and then of course, the new Bayanihan to Heal as One Act. Pero ngayon, Bayanihan to Recover as One Act na. So you just need to type, for example, Bayanihan Act. Nandito po tayo sa all, no? DTI Workplace. Yan. Bayanihan to Recover as One Act. So, Bayanihan Act 2. Ito na po yung bagong hindi na po yung Bayanihan to Heal as One Act. Ito na po yung bagong batas na pinirmahan ni President Duterte. So, you just need to click on this one if you want to read it. Yan, makikita po natin yan dyan. Yan. So, it's a technical law, no? But if you want to research, you can use this one. Ang pinaka-okay po dito is the knowledge section. So sa knowledge section, makikita nyo po yung organized legal information na mas maintindihan ng mga non-lawyers. For example, ito po, is there a penalty for not granting the 30-day grace period provided by law during the community quarantine period? May parusa o multa ho ba? So according to the Bayanihan Act, which is still the same, yung pinoprovide nila ngayon is ang hindi po pagbigay ng palugid na 30 araw sa pagbayad ng renta ay may karampatang parusa. Sabi po ng batas. So nakikita po nyo yan. So para po sa kaalaman ng lahat, very important po ito dahil marami po tayong pinaparentahan or may nirerentahan po tayo na commercial or residential space. So dito naman po, you can type anything here. So from this, sa COVID-19, hindi po lumabas yung field para sa code. Check po natin yan. So lahat po ng COVID-19 nandyan na po. Janine, if you want to ask questions, just let me know. If there are questions already, you can send it to me and then we can answer them.
Meron lang po nag-comment sa ating Facebook live, attorney.
Yes.
Sabi kapag nasa abroad daw po, mahirap mag-register.
Oh, nasa abroad ba siya? Or
Kaya
tinatanong lang niya?
pasalaysay po eh. Baka po nasa
Ah,
abroad.
hindi ma'am. Actually, anywhere in the world, you can access MyLegalWhiz. Just type it to credits.mylegalwiz.com. Pakita nyo lang po sa amin yung screenshot kung ano po ang sinasabi niya. Pero usually po na-access naman po. Yung mga taga-US na kaibigan natin sa Saudi, na-access naman po nila.
Another question po, attorney. Naka-register po ako kahapon pero hindi ako makalogin. Bakit daw ba? From Miss May Miguel.
Okay, naka-register po kayo kahapon pero hindi po kayo makalog-in. Ano po yung account name ninyo? Pa-send po nyo sa amin. Check po namin kung bakit di po kayo makalog-in. Ano pong sinasabi ng system or baka mahina internet or nakalimutan po yung password. Kasi medyo na-access naman po, nakikita naman po natin na maraming nakapag-sign up. Pero you can send po the question through email. I-send nyo po dito. I-send ko po dito. Lalagay ko po dito yung email natin.
Ayan, attorney, yung kanina po na hindi makapag-login abroad, si Ma'am Sadiri Galupo, nasa Taiwan daw po siya.
Oh, nasa Taiwan ako. Mabilis ang internet doon. Bakit kaya, no?
Ayun, ma'am, siguro po, kung maaari po, ma'am, pwede niyo pong i-screenshot yung error message po siguro while you try to log in para po makita po din ni attorney kung ano po yung problem. Maybe it's the connection or PC po kung paano natin siya ayusin.
I-check po natin, ma'am. You can send it to mlwassist@mylegalwiz.com. I-check po natin yon kung bakit di po kayo maka-access. Just take a photo, screenshot, and then send it to us at mlwassist@mylegalwiz.com for your questions. Ayan po. So, balik po tayo dito sa knowledge section. So, meron tayong different kinds of knowledge here, no? Property, business transaction, intellectual property. So, trademark, trade names, copyright, nandyan po. Pero we want to focus, Janine, kung ano yung mga issues ng industries natin, yung mga small and medium enterprises natin dyan sa region. Usually, what are the current issues ngayong pandemic?
Actually, meron nga pong nag-post din sa ating Facebook, no? Sabi po na very poor po ang market ng produkto despite the everyday posts sa Facebook. So, paano po kaya gawin kung ma-market yung products from Miss Tina Cortez po, no? Siguro, attorney, just like any other businesses in other regions, we are all affected by this pandemic. And
Mm-hmm.
businesses are affected because, ang dami po nating restrictions. But slowly, with all the programs of DTI and other partner agencies who continuously finds way to uplift the livelihood of our MSMEs, I believe we will all survive. Kasi just to name a few interventions po, we had for
Mm-hmm.
the past few days po, the DTI Region 2, through its Regional Negosyo Center Unit, no, we just conducted po 2 runs of our youth entrepreneurship program that focuses on existing and aspiring entrepreneurs. Also, a few days ago, we launched the batch 2 of our KMME program attended by
Yeah.
50 mentees who will undergo 10 module mentorship program. And also last week, doon po sa office, no, sa regional office, DTI pushes Buy Local via Project Hilom. It's a combination of the Auto Hub on Wheels and Walang Sayang project, which were
Mhm.
conceptualized during the time of pandemic to help our local MSMEs and farmers. Siguro we're really trying to help our MSMEs with our interventions, and for the business establishments po dito, yung mga restaurants, mga food chain, they are not yet fully operational. Parang others are operating but in a minimal workforce pa po kasi yun nga po because of restrictions. Pero nauso rin po ang ating online business, no? Those businesses who can keep up on the rentals and others
Mhm.
who wanted to sell online are going digital talaga. So yun, but of course, madami pa rin pong challenges sa ating mga MSMEs. But businesses are starting to pick up na sana po magtuloy-tuloy na.
Oh, I'm happy to hear that, no. Ang dami palang programs ng DTI for MSMEs. Actually, natutuwa nga po ako sa programa ng DTI and meron pa silang SB Cares. 'Di ba, ma'am, under DTI din 'yon,
Yes,
providing funds.
the
Maybe yeah.
in partnership with our small business corporation, those MSMEs who are in need po of our financial assistance. Actually, marami po nag-apply, attorney, but we have a
Mhm.
limit of funds lang na nag-grant din. But according to our SB Core, 673 po yung total applicants as of September 11, and then around 500 na 500 plus na po yung nag-grant. So, yung P3 cares po natin is still ongoing.
Mhm.
Wala pa naman po so far deadline sa PT Cares 2. Kasi for ano na po siya, batch 2 na po siya.
Well, that's great. Sabi ko nga, mag-apply lang po kayo doon kasi makakatulong po sa inyo 'yon. Kasi pwede ka naman mag-apply ng small loan. I think 100, 150 and 200,000 ano.
Opo.
Mga ganun yung range ng ano.
SP Corp representative naman sa mga regional and provincial offices. And with our negosyo centers, we have 86 negosyo centers po sa Cagayan Valley. So our clients
Mhm.
can go directly to them. Our business counselors will be able to assist them and check po yung mga requirements if forward sa ating provincial office and then sa regional office.
Oh, I see. That's great. So, marami po tayong tulong na nakukuha from the government. So, i-maximize po natin yan and binudgetan po yan ng Bayanihan Act also. So, going back, Janine, no, I want to show this one to everyone. So, going back to the importance of doing digital or going digital, MyLegalWhiz can help you in doing contracts, writing your documents, etc. Para makapag-focus na lang po kayo sa core business niyo. May tanong kayo, meron po tayong Ask Leah dito. Mamaya ito-try natin si Ask Leah. Pero dito po sa legal forms, lahat po ng contracts na kailangan ninyo nandito. From project employment, confidentiality agreement, contract of employment with non-compete clause, training agreement. I-click nyo lang po ito. So once you click on this one, makikita nyo na po yung document. So here, you'll see the whole document. You can download it to document or PDF or email it. Yan. Contract of employment. The reason po na nakikita ko na ngayon ito kasi na-download ko na po ito dati. So forever na nasa akin ito. May credits po kasing kaakibat ito eh. I'm not sure how much, 300 or 200 credits. But you will still save a lot of money. Instead of course, getting a lawyer. Lawyers actually love using this one kasi it saves them a lot of time. And marami rin po silang kliyente and marami silang ginagawa. So malaking tulong po sa kanila ito, lalo na para hindi makapag-focus na sila sa, representing the clients, going to courts, etc., or strategizing for their cases. For this one, kung wala pong MyLegalWhiz, of course, you can go to lawyers or to Google. Kaya lang ang problema sa Google, minsan foreign contracts ang makikita mo and hindi applicable dito sa Pilipinas. So here in MyLegalWhiz, makikita niyo na po lahat ng relevant contracts and agreements. So yan, makikita niyo dito, confidentiality agreement. You can also use it for affidavits. Yan. I hope okay pa rin po ang internet ninyo, no? Kasi medyo bumagal na ang internet natin. Nagbigay ng abiso ang PLDT about it. How about you, Janine and Cheese? Okay ba yung internet ninyo? So far, okay naman, no?
Okay pa po.
Okay, great. So ito, pinapakita ko nga yung mga affidavits. No? Dati, kailangan pa nating magpagawa ng affidavit. Ngayon, hindi na. Pwede na po na gawin ng MyLegalWhiz yan. Affidavits. Kikita nyo po yan. Pati affidavit of laws, ATM, POEA, vehicle, civil cases, criminal cases, judicial affidavits. Pwede po kayong magtanong. Marami na tayong comments. Medyo malabo po ang screen, Lur. Tinitignan po natin yung comments natin ngayon. So kung may questions po kayo regarding MyLegalWhiz, you can just ask it. So let's go to Ask Leah. So if you have questions, kung kailangan nyo ng tulong sa paggawa ng dokumento, you can ask Leah. Ask Leah is a team of researchers and lawyers and MBA graduates, teachers, and multidisciplinary professionals. No? May mga MBA lawyers dyan. Meron tayong teachers, professors, and research collaborators. So, makakatulong po sila pag nagtanong kayo dito. So, you can just click a category or request a legal form. Pwede po humingi or magpagawa ng regular employment contract. So, you can do that po, no? And then you can click send. Or if you've done a regular employment contract and you want us to see it, you can just attach a file. Pwede po kayong mag-attach ng file. Imagine, ang dali-dali na lang po magtanong. Pwede rin po kayong magsulat, take nyo ng picture and pa-check nyo po sa team natin kung tama po ba yung nakasulat. Meron pong gumawa before, gumawa siya ng promissory note and tinignan po natin yun, chinek natin, gumawa tayo bago, and then binigay po natin sa kanya the next day or within a few hours. Napakadali lang po gamitin ang MyLegalWhiz. And then you send it, and then makikita nyo po sa inbox ninyo, meron po kayong inbox sa right side, makikita nyo po dito. Diyan po namin sasagutin, and dyan nyo rin po open yung document na bibigay namin. Let's go back. Yan. So balik po tayo sa legal forms, no? Habang wala pa masyadong nag-ask ng questions. Okay, for example, sa legal forms natin, aside from contracts, you can type agreements. Makikita po natin dyan. Agreements sa legal forms. Yan. Compromise agreement, training agreement, memorandum of agreement. So, kahit ano pong agreement. May franchise agreement, binanggit po to ni RD Leah kanina. A franchise agreement, you can click on franchise agreement. And you can download it. Yes?
Tayo sa Facebook. May listing fee po sa mga local supermarket na papasukan ko. Saklaw po ba ng Bayanihan Act ang listing fee for SMEs? Tanong po ni Mr. Ryan Kilang.
Ano pong tanong niya, ma'am? Listing fees?
Apo. Saklaw po ba ng Bayanihan Act ang listing fee for SMEs?
I'm not sure po with the Bayanihan Act, no? I-check po natin 'yan. So i-check natin ngayon. Ganyan tayo, live. I-check natin yung listing fee sa Bayanihan Act. Ganito lang po mag-research sa MyLegalWhiz, madali lang. Check po natin. Okay, let's go to the reference section. Ayun. Nako, talagang may epekto nga yung PLDT natin. Bayanihan Act 2. Type nyo lang po yung 2 kasi Bayanihan Act 2 na po tayo. So when you type the document in the reference section is the generic content section ng MyLegalWhiz. So i-check po natin dito. Nakita nyo po, pag-click ko, nag-open ng isang window. So this is the new Bayanihan Act. Yan. Listing fee. Wala pong binabanggit na listing fee sa Bayanihan Act. So, but ano pong name, Miss Janine, nang nag-ask ng question? Wala pong listing fee na binabanggit ang Bayanihan Act.
Ayan, si Mr. Ryan Kilang po.
Mr. Ryan Silang, please use Ask Leah. Describe the situation specifically so that we can analyze it, the team can analyze it, and then we will respond to your question with a document, of course, with a legal basis. That's how we do it in MyLegalWhiz. Just type it through Ask Leah. So balik po tayo sa Ask Leah, no? So for example, may tanong po si Mr. Silang. You just need to type it here tulad ng pinakita sa video tsaka kanina po. Yan. Lagay nyo lang po dito. I-type nyo lang po dito sa write your request, question, or concern. You can even attach a file if you want to. You just need to select a category. By the way, if you need an attorney, we can also provide an attorney. You can request our e-notary. You can click other concerns and then type your question. Okay, where can I find the contract or agreement for internet subscription by Lenore Perez?
Lopez.
Meron, yun ba yun? Isa yun. So, okay, let's go to the legal forms section. Tingnan natin kung may contract or agreement for internet subscription. Contracts. You just need to type contracts here. If you can't find what you're looking for, you ask for Leah. Ask Leah pala. So you just need to type here contract. Let's see different kinds of contracts. Dami pong contracts. And meron pang second page. You can type contract agreement for internet subscription. Usually, ma'am, nakikita nyo ho ba yung internet subscription sa online? Usually, you just need to click on the terms and conditions. Kunyari, magsasubscribe po ako ng Netflix. Hindi ba po wala na tayong pinipirmahan? Nakiklik na lang po tayo ng terms and conditions nila. Tapos na, we will be able to watch movies using Netflix. Ganon din po sa internet. Pero usually, meron naman tayong contract of subscription dito. Or distribution or yan, ang dami pong contracts kasi. Pwede po kayong pumili dyan. A joint venture agreement nga nandito. Internet. And maganda po nito, kay Miss Lenore Perez. Again, use the MyLegalWhiz Ask Leia for us to be able to help you in drafting whatever internet subscription or distribution agreement that you need. Ask Leia po tayo. Merong question po dito, kailangan din po ba registered sa BIR? By Miss Kazumi Lee. Miss Janine, ano po ang sagot ninyo usually pag sinasabi ng mga MSMEs natin na less than 20,000 or 10,000 ang capitalization? Do you advise them to register to BIR?
Yes po. Ayan, Ma'am.
Yes.
Pero opo, once syempre po, ang first step in registering po your business is to register po muna sa DTI. And other requirements will be BIR, mayor's permit, for you to be able to have yung parang if you, if you transact with corporations, government agencies, yun po, kailangan po ng papers, kailangan po ng requirements. Lalo po ngayon, dami na po nag-online selling. So, we recommend po, we advise po sa DTI na i-register po sa BIR and of course sa DTI.
Yes, correct. I agree, Janine, no? And actually, yung BMBE law natin, ang basic declaration of policy niya is to yung mga anong tinatawag na sa economy na yon, yung economy na hindi nakikita ng gobyerno. Kailangan po na mapunta na kayo sa mainstream para po ma-register kayo, makapagbayad ng taxes, and maprotektahan po kayo, makakuha kayo ng tax incentives, training benefits, technical assistance via the DTI and negosyo centers. Tama yun, Ms. Janine, no?
Tama po. Kasi po, attorney, pag meron po kaming mga walk-in clients din sa office, we ask if registered na sa DTI yung kanilang business. And pag hindi pa, tinutulungan po namin sila, ina-assist po namin sila to go to the nearest negosyo center o kaya dun sa ating mga provincial offices para po matulungan sila to register their business. Kasi that's the first po na kailangan gawin for you to be able to maximize din yung interventions ng DTI and also ng ating other agencies like DOS.
Yes.
Ayan, marami pong mga tulong ang ating mga government agencies. So, need po talaga, it's a requirement that we have to register your business sa DTI.
Yes, I agree with that one. No, register first with the DTI, tapos doon po kayo matutulungan ng mga negosyo centers natin. So I just want to show, no, nakikita niyo po sa screen, lalo na maraming lupa sa Region 2. Yung mga nagbebenta po ng lupa dyan, nandito na po lahat ng deeds of sale ninyo para hindi niyo na po problemahin. You can type deeds here and we can help you even draft the deeds of sale. Online po yan, ha? You can even attach your file and then the description and then we will draft it for you. Sa mga nagtatanong po ng mga specific legal questions, I suggest that you ask Leia and then a team will answer your question. Kasi ngayon po, pag gagawin natin ngayon yung pwede naman po natin answerin ngayon, pero mas kumpleto talaga, mas dokumentado pag ginamit nyo po ang Leia. I also want to para din kaming extension ng NC. Kasi kung for example po meron kayong legal question na tapos sarado na, for example, negosyo center, you can ask us a question using Ask Leia. Dito po yan. For all the legal forms like a contract, you just need to click request for a legal form. May question po dito, sabi, pwede po ba ang MyLegalWhiz sa pagkuha ng affidavit for BIR? Check po natin, no? Check natin ang affidavit, BIR. Type lang po natin. I'm not sure ano po ang BIR na kailangan sa affidavit. Meron po tayo sa legal forms is the authorization letter, BIR form, signatory. No? Pero ito, mga secretary certificate na po ito eh. So what in particular po na BIR affidavit ang kailangan po ninyo, Ms. Sadiri? Galo po. Ito may nagtanong po. I think nasagot na ni Miss Janine nito. Hello ma'am, paano kung naka-register ka na sa DTI at ang capital mo ay 4K lamang? Magbi-BIR pa po ba kami? So, you think papasok siya sa BMBE?
Yes po, pwede naman po silang mag-apply sa ating BMBE. And I think we cannot answer for BIR, pero po what I know is BIR naman will not charge you more than of your income or your capital. Meron rin po silang require na record book. Ayun, para makita po yung mga sales din. So, okay lang ma'am, mababa or malaki, or syempre yung mas malaki, mas okay po. Dapat talaga naka-BIR. Pero kung less than 5K, opo, register po kayo sa BIR. Hindi naman po kayo charge ng ganung kalaki din.
Yun.
Yes, and attorney, in addition lang,
Yes.
wag po kayong matakot kasi if you are earning naman 250,000 and below, wala naman kayong babayaran. Ang sinasabi lang po natin is you need to register. Magre-register lang po kayo. Pero hindi po ibig sabihin nun na pag nag-register na kayo, magbabayad na po kayo. Kasi pag below 250,000 naman, yung earnings nyo, annual earnings, hindi po kayo magbabayad. Zero tax naman po yun. Attorney, naka-mute po ata kayo.
So basta mag-register lang po kayo sa DTI and sa BIR. Huwag po kayo matakot na magbabayad kayo ng taxes. Ang gobyerno po is kakampi po natin ngayong pandemic. So maganda po naka-register kayo kasi ang government po will help you also in growing your business. Kasi po kung mag-isa tayo, wala pong proprotekta sa atin. Mas mahirap kumuha ng tulong kung nakatago po tayo, even if 4K lang po ang capital. So let's have more questions. Meron pong katanungan sa MyLegalWhiz. So you just need to register, sign up, use DTI R2_500. Tapos ask Leah for specific legal questions. Ang MyLegalWhiz po ay your legal insurance. So kami na po ang kaakibat niyo ang online digital legal support ninyo sa negosyo. Okay. Wow, meron tayo NC Agandans, Miss Chris Flores from Chris Flores Basilan. NC Angadanan. Saan po yun? Banda?
Sa Isabela po.
Okay. Hello po. So let's check on other questions. Okay, meron pong question dito. Sir, I have 850 credits left. Bakit po kaya hindi nag-work yung DTI R2_500? Is it because meron pang dating 850? Yes, ma'am. Sa NC Kabangan, opo, kasi may max po tayo na 1,000 credits. And kailangan po mag-expire po yun and magamit nyo po muna bago nyo magamit yung DTI R2_500. So for those first timers who are signing up to MyLegalWhiz, just input DTI R2_500 plus MLW 500, yun pong 1,000 na yun. So pag sumobra po kayo doon, kailangan po i-reject po ng system kasi kailangan po mag-expire muna or maubos nyo muna yung 1,000 credits. before you access or use another credit.
And may question po dito na paano daw po kumuha ng DTI. So, Sir
Hmm,
J, pwede po kayo mag-register online through our DNRS portal. So, ang
ayun.
ating business name registration, you don't have to go to negosyo centers or provincial offices or sa regional office, no? Pwede na po siya online, DNRS
Mhm.
portal po. And then yung payment po can be processed through GCash. And then right after processing po sa online website natin sa BNRS, makukuha nyo po agad yung business name certificate nyo sa email address. So, ganun na po siya kabilis.
Wow, online na lahat. Okay. Tinitingnan pa po natin yung iba yung questions. So while we're waiting for other questions, no, kailangan po rin yung malaman na yung MyLegalWhiz hindi lang po for business. So you can actually get domestic legal content here from legal separation, support, etc. Nandito po lahat yan sa MyLegalWhiz. Check po natin dito sa knowledge section para po makita ng lahat before kung wala na pong questions, we can end the session soon. So for example, dito, no, if you want to type support, you get different kinds discussions of support. Sa mga nagtatanong po regarding sa mga micro entrepreneurs, ito po i-project natin. Yan. Sa mga micro entrepreneurs, sir, like me, ano po ang pinaka-best na benefits ng apps na yan to help me grow my business? Optional po ba yan or kailangan po talaga yan? Sir, it depends on you if you need, for example, legal advice, legal contracts, mga dokumento po nandito eh. Nandito po yung mga documents, legal and business documents, makakatulong po kami. And also yung Ask Leia if you have questions about your business, especially yung legal aspect ng yung business. And optional lang po ito. You can sign up and you can use it anytime. So sa mga nanonood po, no, not only for business, it's also for your personal stuff. And alam namin, hindi lang po puro negosyo ang ginagawa natin. Meron din po tayong personal legal situation. So pwede nyo pong gamitin ito patungkol sa support, patungkol sa lupa, sa registration. Nandyan po lahat. Yes, so thank you very much to Lex Tupaya. Sabi niya, yes sir, it's amazing how we can access everything legal found in MyLegalWhiz. Thank you very much din po. Eto, may tanong dito, Janine. SPA po, Special Power of Attorney po, pwede po ba sa MyLegalWhiz? Opo, meron po to. So tignan po natin, punta tayo sa legal forms. Nakikita nyo po dyan sa screen. Click nyo lang po yung legal forms. Tapos type nyo po ang SPA. Pagpasensyahan nyo lang po yung internet natin. Mukhang mabagal. Mukhang natunugan na tayo ng ng PLDT
Hanggang ano po man din to, attorney, September 30 yung kanilang maintenance.
Oo nga, buti na lang sa MyLegalWhiz po, walang picture masyado. So more of content text lang. Ayun. Medyo mabagal lang po pero may tinatanong po na special power of attorney. Lahat po ng special power of attorney nandito po. So imagine, ang gusto ko pong i-emphasize dito is up to the level of the individual entrepreneur. Up to the level of the individual entrepreneur po, meron na po kayong kaakibat sa kahit anuman pong legal. So susuportahan po namin kayo kahit saan man po kayo sa Pilipinas. May katanungan kayo about your family relations, may tanong kayo about uh, business law, rents, etc. Pati BIR, we can research naman po eh. So you can you can you can research, we can research for you, or we can coordinate with government agencies like DTI pag concerning DTI yung question. So sa special power of attorney po, ma'am, ito po lahat nandito. Oh, may question po tayo dito.
May question po about paano
Ito
pa
ba yon?
yung homemade po ba?
Sige,
Na
sige,
media
ikaw muna.
bahay. Sige po, sabi po ni Ma'am Imelda, paano sir kung sa home media McKendy po ako at sa bahay lang ako gumagawa at sa 10K puhunan ako, kailangan pa po ba mag-BIR pero registered ako sa DTI? Yun po ma'am, sa DTI po, we encourage our MSMEs to register po sa BIR and also to get mayor's permit din po. Para po pag kailangan niyo po ng extra na puhunan, you can ask help and assistance from our SB Corporation. And one of the requirements po is of course DTI, BIR, and Mayor's Permit. So para po ma-maximize niyo po yung tulong ng ating gobyerno, you have to have these requirements po for us to be able to assist you. Kasi yung karamihan po, ang dami pong tanong na paano ba yan? Paano ba sumali sa mga ganyan? So, first steps po siguro is to follow the basic requirements para po mabigay rin po namin yung tulong na kinakailangan po ng ating mga MSMEs.
Ayun. Meron po tayong tanong dito, no? Si Miss Vicky. Siguro we'll have like last two questions, ma'am, before we end the session. Ito, sir, ang concern kasi ng mga MSMEs dito sa Alabat Island ay pinadalhan ng RDO, Kumaka, mga newly reg businesses. Due to COVID, ay restricted ang travels and MIATF won't allow our MSMEs to travel outside the island. So how do they solve this, Janine? Are you able to read it? How do we stand on this issue? And requesting that BIR to send their staff here to do the registration process, lalo na wala namang BIR online platform for new registrations. Nako, idulog po natin ito sa sa BIR. I'm not sure if ang DTI dito ay merong silang konting may itutulong or may sasagot. Miss Cheese, hello.
Yes, on the issue po, actually, ano na po kasi yan ni BIR, and si BIR na mismo yung pumunta para i-request yung mga na pumunta doon, ganyan. So, it's the call of the BIR na po. Hindi na po namin sa DTI po yun.
And maganda po, Miss Vicky. Again, you can go to Ask Leia. You can go to Ask Leia and then ask that question so we can coordinate with the BIR. Tatanong namin, how can we help solve your issue? Ganun po ginagawa namin sa MyLegalWhiz. For example, we have a partnership with DTI. It's a DTI question. We will call, for example, Janine or Cheese regarding DTI-related question. So, wag po kayo mag-alala, Miss Vicky. Go to, again, sa Ask Leia po. Nandito po si Leia. Ayan. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan. For specific questions like that, we will help you. So, let's check on the new comments. So, again po, no, ulitin lang po natin. Yung natin sa MyLegalWhiz. You just need to sign up. Kita ko lang po, no? This one is a nice also. I want to introduce this one also for everyone to see. Now, you can be an affiliate member of MyLegalWhiz for those who want to have additional income Pwede po kayong maging affiliate members ng MyLegalWhiz. You can earn via referral commissions while working from home. It's just, once you're registered, you can use your DTI 500 promo code. No, you can sign up for free and then you can check discounts. So pag maubos na po yung credits ninyo, pwede po kayong makakuha ng discount sa pagkuha ng credits. Ang credits po kasi is 1 credit is equivalent to 1 peso. May question dito, may penalty po ba kapag June na nag-register ng DTI o pero hindi pa po nakakuha ng BIR? So may question dito, again si Ms. Sadiri. May penalty ho ba? Ms. Janine? Cheese? Pag late
Sir,
registrant?
sa BIR po yun ano sir. Ang pagkakalam ko po mag-start yung penalty from the time na na-issue ang business permit.
Mhm.
So pagka nagkuha na po kayo ng business permit, automatic po na dapat kukuha na rin po, magre-register na rin po kaya sa BIR.
Yes, yes. Tama.
Yun po yung
I
time na magkakaroon ng penalty. If kunwari nag-register kayo sa may business permit kayo and then after 2 months lang kayo kumuha sa BIR, then yun po yung may penalty. Yun po yung sir yung pagkakalam ko po ha.
Yes, yes. Actually tama 'yun. Meron pong late fee ang ang BIR pag late po kayo nag-register. So importante po na parang within 30 days upon registration sa DTI, mag-register na po kayo sa BIR. You get a certificate of registration, BIR 2303, and the authority to print receipts kung gusto niyo po mag-issue ng receipts. And we encourage you to issue receipts po. It's for your business and for the growth of your business. Again, wag po kayong matatakot, sabi nga ni Ms. Cheese sa pag-register. Pag wala po kayong kailangan na babayaran na tax, wala po kayong babayaran talaga. So anyway, you have more questions, Ms. Cheese and Janine?
Yes sir, yes attorney. Ang tanong ko lang po, 'di ba, we have the DTI R2500 promo code. Ngayon
Yes.
po pagka na-credit na po 'yun sa account and hindi po siya nagamit, may mag-e-expire po ba ito sir? May validity period lang po ba ito?
It has an expiration for 1 year. So pag hindi ginamit kaya po gamitin po natin DTI R2_500, 1 year naman siya. Magra-run lang yung ano tawag dito, yung expiration ng 6 months yata or December 31 pag ginamit na yung DTI R2_500. So meron lang po siya expiration for 1 year. So gamitin nyo po yan para ma-explore nyo po yung MyLegalWhiz. Ang maganda nito, Cheese and Janine, is we have 65,000 legal content that are free in MyLegalWhiz. And then when you ask Leah, sometimes you don't need to pay for it. Kasi sometimes yung mga questions simple lang, we don't charge for it. We don't charge credits. So okay lang po yan. Marami po kayong magagawa sa 500 credits lang actually. So let's check.
Ja, do you have additional questions?
Ayan, mukhang nakasagot na rin kanina about sa fees, no? Tama po ba, attorney? 1 credit is 1 peso?
Yes, yes. 1 credit is 1 peso. And we have 65,000 documents, that are free in MyLegalWhiz. Legal content. So halos siguro mga 10% lang ang may equivalent na credits sa MyLegalWhiz. Tumitingin po kami ng comments, kaya po minsan nagpo-post kami. Ayun. Kay Mr. Ryan Kilang, Mr. Ryan, matutulungan po namin kayo with your detailed question. Just send that question sa Ask Leia. Miss Janine, meron pong tanong dito from May Miguel. Kasi naka-address sa'yo. Sabi niya, Ma'am Janine, nakikita niyo ba sa screen?
Eto, ayan, opo, nakita ko po. Hindi nasabi ng DTI sa amin na upon registration of DTI, we need to register BIR also.
Siguro, kailangan lang silang i-inform.
Opo. We apologize for that, Ma'am May. Saang ano po kayo, Ma'am, province? So we'll work on that po. Siguro po, na miss lang po ibigay yung information.
Oh, yeah. Salamat, salamat din Mr. Reg Hawk. Sabi niya, Ma'am, I'm very thankful. Madami po ako natutunan. Salamat din po sa pag-attend. Sa lahat po ng, remind lang natin, Miss Janine and Miss Cheese, no? Lahat po na nag-attend, we will send an online e-certificate for those who attended, of course, who participated in this session.
Yes po, maraming salamat din po, Attorney.
So, okay, any more questions? So don't forget po to sign up to credits.mylegalwiz.com and input DTI R2_500. If you have technical legal questions, just ask Leia, so it will be documented. And of course, we are here to support everyone all over the country, especially Region 2. And thank you very much, DTI. Ms. Cheese?
Yes, sir. So on behalf of DTI, of course, DTI R2, we would like to thank MyLegalWhiz, Attorney Dexter, for this opportunity. Kasi Attorney Dexter, remember 2017, you were here in Tuguegarao City. Nagbigay ka din ng ganitong orientation. But that time, for DTI employees lang siya and limited lang siya yung free subscription na naibigay. But for now, we open this to all our clients na rin, and then may 500 free credits pa. Actually, 1,000. 1,000 ano, Attorney? 500
Yes,
for
yes,
the
1,000.
and
1,000
500
for each.
Yes, 1,000 credits. So, ayan, and thank you very much, Attorney, talaga for this opportunity and for this platform na inintroduce niyo po sa amin. And for our MSMEs and our Negosyo Center business counselors, lahat ng mga nanonood this morning today, we would like to thank you all, and sana ma-maximize po natin yung paggamit ng ating MyLegalWhiz credits para matulungan talaga kayo for your legal concerns. So,
And also, not
Si
just sa
Janine.
personal natin, but any other legal concerns pertaining to yung family, business, any other concerns na we need legal advice, MyLegalWhiz is here to help. Application and the website po, Ask Leia, 24/7, attorney, pwedeng magtanong, di ba?
Yes, 24/7. Kahit mga alas 3 kayo magtanong, okay lang po yan. Sandali, i-ano ko lang po dito, no? Ito po, lahat po ng kailangan ninyo nandito sa system. So, kasi hindi lang po pang business ang MyLegalWhiz, no? It's very broad. 8 subjects of law po nandito. Family, land titles, affidavits, pati personal legal situation ninyo, masasagot po natin using MyLegalWhiz. So thank you very much, Janine. Kung wala na pong questions, salamat po sa mga nag-attend today. And again, reminder lang po nasa screen, So you can use the credits to download legal and business documents, access legal content, and get answers to legal questions we ask Leah. So thank you very much, and we will play the video of some MyLegalWhiz so that everyone will know kung ano paano po gamitin. Ito po yun. So thank you very much, everyone. Have a good day.
Salamat po. Yes po.
Thank
Ingat
you.
din po. God
Thank
bless.
you po.
When you need legal guidance, MyLegalWhiz is your convenient online legal resource and assistant. Start by going to credits.mylegalwiz.com. Once logged in, type, for example, MGCQ, which stands for Modified General Community Quarantine, and all information related to MGCQ will appear. Click the link and you'll see guidelines for areas under MGCQ. If you need assistance, we have Leah. Leah stands for Legal Engineer Assistant. She helps in doing legal research and writing documents. But before that, you need to know how to use Leah's page. First is the drop-down menu. This allows you to choose what type of document, task, or request you need from Leah. Then type your request or concern. In this text box, you can ask any legal question that you have for Leah. For example, if you're a landlord and you want to know if you can start collecting rent during ECQ, it's just as easy as typing your question. You can even attach a file for Leah's reference. You'll receive an email confirming that we have received your inquiry. In a short while, you'll receive a notification with Leah's response. Go to your inbox, click View, and see the answer. Let's try to search for another topic. All information related to video conferencing will appear. MyLegalWhiz also allows you to download forms for a specific amount of credits. You can do that by selecting Legal Forms in the menu bar. Let's say you want to download a training agreement form. Click the green button so you can fully download it. You may download it in different file formats found in the upper right corner. You can now use it for your intended purposes. Can't find what you're looking for? Ask Leah. And that's why MyLegalWhiz is the best digital legal assistant.